In this video, we are going to take up one more problem on the square lamina. How to draw this solution by using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as a square lamina capital ABCD of 40 mm side rests on corner C such that the diagonal AC appears to be inclined at 45 degrees to BP. The two sides BC and CD containing the corner make equal inclination with HP. The surface of the lamina makes 30 degree with HP. Draw its top and front views. If you see here, resting on one of its corners. So either A dash and C dash is the corner. If you see here, this here, the diagonal EC, that is this diagonal. And he says appears to be inclined. Since it is appears, so obviously it is apparent inclination. And the surface of the lamina makes 30 degree with HP. As the surface makes an angle of 30 degree with HP, initial position make that surface 0 degree with respect to HP. So that means it is parallel to HP. Once it is parallel to HP, so you can see the true length in HP. Okay. This surface is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. So that is the reason why you are getting a line in the front front. And since all the sides are parallel to HP, so you are getting the true shape in HP, that is in the top view. Then it is corner diagonal C is resting on HP, so makes an angle of 30 degrees, such that two of the sides BC, that is BC and CD, makes equal inclination with respect to HP. So that means with respect to the vertical line, BC and CD are equally inclined. Okay. So then he says it appears to be inclined. So once the surface becomes inclined to HP at 30 degrees, since the diagonal AC is on that surface, obviously the diagonal AC will also become inclined to HP. Once the diagonal AC becomes inclined to HP, then obviously in the top view, that diagonal will be in apparent length. What does it mean? The length of the diagonal AC here, which has got the true length, will not be having the same length in the second position top view. So that will be, it is always less than this length. So that is the reason why he says it is in apparent length. Since the inclination given is also apparent inclination because he says diagonal AC appears to be inclined. So since the second position top view AC is also in apparent length, so from the projections of lines, on apparent inclination, you're going to get the apparent length. So rewrite the second position top view directly and write the corresponding front. So how do I know that my problem is right? Even in the final position, you can see that the corner is resting on HP. The diagonal AC appears to be inclined at 45 degrees to VP, and the corner C is resting on HP, and it is inclined at 30 degrees to HP, and it is a square lamina of 40 mm size. So this is how you will be able to analyze this problem. Now we are going to try to solve the problem. So for that, so first I will go for polygon. Then number of sides is 4. Then I will go for an edge option. Select some point here and at the rate of 40 less than 30, 45 because it is the corner position. I'll go for move, select this and place it wherever you want. Then I will enable line here. I don't want center. Okay. I'll go for line command. I will draw one horizontal line of any length. Okay. Then I will go for perpendicular here. Okay. Then enable this snap. Go to line, take intersection and perpendicular. Go to line, take intersection and perpendicular. Go to line, take intersection and perpendicular. Now you go for fillet between this point and this point, between these two now. Now I will go for selection of this and the selection of this. Go to layer, change it to visible line. Now I will go for a snap and remove perpendicular now. I will go for modify, break at point, select this and break at this point. Now I will go for line, select this and I will draw a horizontal line after the length. Now I will go for the text, remove both these two and give the text height as 3. Put the caps lock on, type X. Here I will type VP. Here I will type HP. Then I will take a small letter A, B, C, and D. Here A dash, here B dash, here C dash, then D dash. Okay. Now you go to move, take X, then go to VP, then go to HP, then go to A dash, similarly B dash, similarly D dash, then go to C dash. Then you come down to this, go to move, select A, go to B, select C, then go to D. Okay. Once you do that, now you go for copy, go to copy, select this line and this line, enable ortho, go to this and you copy this. Now go to rotate, select this. Now you go to endpoint, enable snap, select this. Now I want to rotate it clockwise, so minus 30 degrees. Now I'll go for move, select this and go take it here. Okay. Yes. Now I go for line. You take endpoint of this and draw this line. Okay. Then I will go for line, select endpoint. So first I will copy this. I will just select all these things. Now you select this one, this, and this. Go to layer, make that layer as text. Okay. Now I want to copy this now here. Go to copy, select this, remove these two, copy this to this point. Then I want to copy this C dash here. Now I want to copy this one and copy this here. Okay. Now I'll go for line, select endpoint. So enable ortho and snap. Take endpoint of this. Similarly, you take endpoint of this and you take endpoint of this. Okay. Then you go to line, remove endpoint now. Take a line, select this intersection, select this intersection. Then go to fillet between this line and this line, between this line and this line. Go to line, select intersection, go to fillet between this line and this line, these two. Go to move, select this point, remove the snap, ortho and type it here. And go to line, okay, enable intersection. Go to intersection point, to this intersection point, to this intersection point, to this intersection point and stay close. Now I will select all these 3, 4, go to layer, go to visible. Now I will go for modify break at point. Select this, break at this point. Select this and break at this point. Now you go for copy, remove this, take A, then take B, then take C, then take D. Okay. Then I'll go for group, enter, select these two, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Enter. Now we go back. Now I'll go for copy, select this, copy this to the next position. Then I'll go for rotate. So what is the rotation angle? 45 degrees to P. Select this, go to intersection, go to 45 degrees. Now I will go for move, select this, move it to this point. Move, select this. Then go to move, select this entire thing, move this here. Okay. Now I want to copy this again. Go to copy, select A, copy this here. Select B and copy this here. Select C and copy this here. Select D and copy this here. Then I want to do this now. Go to line, put the ortho on, take intersection. Now you take this point, then go to fillet between this line and this line. Go to line, select this intersection and take line B and D. Go to fillet between this line and this line in these two. Go to line, select C now. Go to trim, select this line. Okay. Now I want to move this. Go to move, select this line, move, put the ortho. Okay. Go to line, select intersection to intersection to intersection, intersection, and same close. Okay. Now I want to go for copy. Go to copy. I want to take this A dash here. Sorry, remove snap. Go for copy, remove snap. Go to copy, take A dash, then you take B dash, then you take C dash. Okay. Then I want to take D dash here. Go to D text, and I will take capital letter Y. Okay. Then go to select, go to layer, make it text now. I go to DD edit, type D dash now. Then go to select these four lines. Go to layer, go to visible. Go to move. Okay. Now I select this line and this line. Go to layer, go to XY line. Okay. Now I want to go for aligned. Select this line and give 40. Then I go to angular between this line and this line. Give 30. Then I want angular in these two. Take 45. Okay. Go to dim TED, text edit dimension. Keep it. So now this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using the AutoCAD software. Thank you.